Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Game Pass error codes, I'm not going to say them, but these two error codes on Windows. Okay, the first step, by the way, if this video helps you, leave the video a like and please subscribe, it really helps my channel, thank you very much. The first thing you want to do is sign out and sign back in and see if that helps. So you want to click on your profile, click sign out, and then also open the Microsoft Store. And do the same. You want to sign out of both of them, and then after you have signed out, sign back in, restart your PC and see if that fixes any issues. Step number 2, if you have any VPN or browser extensions running, disable them temporarily to see if that helps. Browser extensions on Chrome tend to affect it for whatever reason, especially ad blockers and privacy tools. So try to turn off VPN and turn off these Chrome extensions to see if that fixes the issue. The next thing you want to do is reinstall the Xbox app and gaming services via PowerShell. How do you do that? So type in PowerShell into the search, right click on this, hit run as administrator. Now for this, I'm going to put the code into the video description below, but you want to copy and paste this into PowerShell, hit enter. Then after you have done that, you want to copy and paste this. The first one will get rid of gaming services, the next one will get rid of the Xbox app. So put them in one at a time. After you have done that, restart the PC, open the Microsoft Store once again, search for Xbox app, like this, and then reinstall the Xbox app. It should automatically prompt to reinstall the gaming services. If not, you can run this in PowerShell and it will install the gaming services, and this fixes the problem for a lot of people, so give it a try. The next thing you want to try, the next and last thing you want to try is type in run in the search bar here. It will bring up this run command. From here, type in ws reset.exe. A screen will come up like that, and this will delete the cache for the Microsoft Store. And this fixes the issue for lots of people. And when you do that, also type in Xbox. Right click on this app here, go to app settings. And then from here, scroll down until you see reset, and then you're gonna see two buttons called repair and reset. Click both of them and then start it up and see if that fixes the issue. If this video helped you, leave the video a like and please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Have a nice day.